It's your boy, the Fourth Ken, and I'm back with another video. Today I got a special vlog, man. We about to be lit today. Let me show y'all what I got going on. We're in a every haircut challenge, but a special one. And this is directed to 360 Jeezy, Get Beamed, and all the other barbers that mainly use enhancements. I don't got nothing against y'all, but I just want to see what y'all can do without the enhancements today. So there's not going to be any of these. I don't want to see any of these. None of these. Look, turning it off. Matter of fact, I'm unplug it. It's off, right? None of these. And I definitely do not want to see any of these. No pencils, no fibers, no sprays, no any type of beard paint, nothing, no dye, no nothing. We going all natural today. This is gonna be called the No Enhancements Every Haircut Challenge. This time, I wanna do all natural. I wanna see what these barbers on YouTube can do without enhancements. No pencil, no nothing, just straight ash lines and keeping it dark. Let's see y'all real skills. Let's see what we working with.
Can't believe this dude trying to call me out, man. Let's see what Jeezy talking about. Hey, yo, Jeezy. Jeezy.
What's up?
Bro, what's up, man?
Talk to me. What's going on?
Did you see that video with the Fourth Ken trying to call us out?
Right. I seen it.
Okay, alright, so what you gonna do about it, bro?
But he called you out, though.
Nah, he called you out.
He called you out.
He called you out, too.
I mean, I guess we are the same person.
Come on, now.
I guess.
Come on, now. We gotta do something about it, man.
Okay, well, what do you want to do?
Well, shoot.
He ain't getting no enhancements. He ain't getting no enhancements, no way.
He usually don't. Hey, we gotta clap back and do something, bro.
I know. I feel you. I'm about to get to it, though. We gonna show him how it's done.
Let's show him how it's done.
No enhancements. Ain't nobody getting enhancements
That's what
today.
I'm talking about.
Nobody. That's what we doing.
No, I'm doing it too.
No, that's what I'm doing.
No, I'm doing it too, though.
No, that's what I'm doing.
No,
you over there in the chair.
Okay, just because I'm in this chair don't mean nothing. I can do what you do.
Yeah, chill. Just chill.
Bro.
Okay, let me get back to cutting hair. All right, let's do it. All right, are we a team or what?
No,
That's all I'm asking. Are we a team or what?
Of course
are
we
we
a
doing
team.
this together or are we separate? Which one is
We
it?
definitely not separate. We
All
definitely
right,
not
all
separate.
right then. Let's get to it. Let's go.
All right.
What's up, man? First time here. Saw you on YouTube, that's what I follow you. Yeah.
What kind of fish are you?
Como? So 2 hours.
Where are you from?
Majestic.
Modesto? fourth kin, listen to me when I tell you this, okay? This is not a challenge. This is not a challenge, bro. Hey, fourth kin, this is not a challenge. This is not a challenge, bro. Over here, this is not a challenge. I gotta say it louder. This is not a challenge, man. You really can't forget me over here. I'm gonna tell you something. Guess what? This is not a challenge, man. Not a challenge. Also, not a challenge. Can you see me here? Huh? Not a challenge. Unbothered. Do I really need to say it? So like you heard them all say, okay? This is not a challenge, bro. I've been doing this more than you.
I've been doing this more than you.
When I first came out of barber school, I've been using no enhancements, okay? And then I encourage every student out there, don't start off using enhancements. In school, you supposed to be with the no enhancement gang. You supposed to be saying, man, I don't mess with enhancements. That's what you supposed to do. But you gonna come at me now that I use enhancements, now that the industry has grown to everybody using enhancements, you wanna try to challenge me? Well, I accept your challenge, man. But this isn't a challenge, man!
HustleDreamProduction.
What made you want to cut your hair?
I'm just over having to do it, and I think I wanted to wait until summertime, but I just couldn't wait anymore.
I'm gonna take you back to kind of walk through.
Okay.
over here talking about, I don't want to see these.
I don't want to see any of these.
I don't want to see these.
None of these. Look, turning it off.
Boy, talking about I don't want to see these.
I don't want to see any of these.
What the heck is these, man? I don't want to watch. I don't want to see these.
And I definitely do not want to see any of these.
I don't want to see these. Man, I've been doing this. I'm trying to tell you. I've been doing this more than you.
How, Sway? I've been doing this more than you.
Oh my god, dang, man.
What do you feel about enhancements?
I use them, so what? Doesn't matter. Part of the haircut. Part of the haircut.
Talk about it.
What do you mean? Using enhancements inside the hair?
Yeah.
I mean, whatever to make the haircut look nice, man. As long as the hairline's still kind of crispy.
Okay. Alright.
But, you know, it doesn't matter, man. People use it. It's 2020. If you don't use it, oh well.
I like what he said. It's 2020. It's 2020. I don't know what that really means, but it is 2020 though.
2020.
Hey Austin.
What's up?
Hey Austin.
What's up? Jeez.
Memo. Memo, talk to me. Come on, Memo. Come on.
What?
Memo.
What?
Enhancements. Talk about them. When should you use them? How should you use them? Should you use them as a beginner? Talk to them.
No, as a beginner, of course not. You gotta learn how to do your crispy liner first, and then from there, you know, you can go ahead and apply a little bit of enhancement.
Okay. All right.
That's how I feel about it.
Talk about it. Talk about it. I know what era you come from. I know what era you come from. We come from the same place.
Man, I like doing stuff naturally, honestly.
Naturally?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
But if I want like a nice picture, I'm gonna use that enhancement.
Okay. Enough said. Enough said.
Enough
Enough
said.
said. Enough said. Enough said. Enough said. Come on. Justin. Justin. Enhancements. Let's talk about it.
It's whatever the client wants. Honestly, I mean, and it makes the haircut look pop. But what you care about what me and my client do? Do what you want, do what your client wants.
That is so true. Do what your client wants. Okay? Do what your client wants.
I got another one.
Come on, George. George.
What?
George. Enhancements. Talk about it.
I don't use them. I don't like using them. I'll never use them. I hate enhancements.
Enough said. Enough said. Everybody has their own, you know what I mean? Everybody has their own way of going about using enhancements. If you don't use it, it's cool. If you use it, it's cool. It's 2020. It's like what Arlen said. It's 2020.
If you don't use it, you lose it.
I mean, alright, listen, Fourth Kent, appreciate you calling me out, man. It definitely gave me motivation to show people what I can do without enhancements. And I know it's a lot of people asking like, man, you know, you're doing too much enhancement, Jeezy. He didn't need enhancements. And I know it's a lot of people out there that do not like enhancements. But I just want you guys to look at this. This right here is basically the before, okay? And right now, you are looking at the after, okay? That is how natural all my cuts are at first, right? Until I put the enhancements on right now. Right now, you're looking at the enhancements, okay? And it really don't look like I got enhancements. Now, granted, sometimes I use a little bit more just to make it crisp, but it's not that really big of a difference, really. You know what I mean? So if you're a skilled barber, you know how to not use enhancement and make it look like you used enhancements. You get what I'm saying? But I, for one, am not finna get left behind in the industry if everybody is using enhancements. Now, I don't want to make it sound like this is everybody go jump off a bridge. I'm gonna go jump off a bridge. No, that's not what I'm saying. As far as enhancements go, I feel that to use it is to have another skill. You know what I mean? Not everybody could use enhancement and make it look good. So to use enhancements and make the haircut look enhanced and look good, that's a skill in itself. And I'm not one to not grab any skill that I could take from either Get Beamed, Chris Basio, even you or anybody else on YouTube. You know what I mean? I'm a person that's gonna forever just keep trying to learn and get better and better and better. So I appreciate you for challenging me. Oh, and another thing. You posted on Instagram talking about, oh, I don't want no smoke from Game Changer. He already got that natural smoke. If you gonna call somebody out, call everybody out across the board. Don't just try to eliminate somebody just because they don't use enhancements. We want to see the every haircut challenge from everybody. Did I just kind of call out Game Changer? I don't know. One thing I can say, I don't want to see just one cut. I want to see multiple cuts in your clientele. Because one thing I do know is that not everybody has a perfect lineup. Okay? Not everybody has that picture perfect haircut. Okay? Game Changer. Since he didn't call you out. His 360 Disney. I'm gonna call you out. I just did that, yes. I'm out. Peace.